Finally we arrive at this area for gates A16 to 20, but we're also coming here at A19. This is our flight. Vietnam Airlines VN654. Let's go. And we are at gate A19, and that is the small plane that is going to bring us to Ho Chi Minh. Airbus A321.
Được rồi em.
Two? Okay. Which side you want? I'm very anxious.
Coco, where's the tray table?
Says recline number. Extra seats. Something like that. Stop. Towel. It's a kid. Tray table.
Every airline has that. It gets boring.
Oh no, use this one. Use this one for the drink. I don't know, for drink. Use this one for the drink. And this one shows you the place to welcome drink. Woohoo! Looks like that. Yeah!
That's magic, you know. We should clap.
Clap. One apple juice, orange juice. Water? No water? Champagne is it?
Yes.
Water for her?
Yes, sure.
Oh, sorry, thank you.
Oh, then what's this one?
Okay, thank you.
Water and random drink.
Champagne.
But we can tell from the plane still, which is probably SIA.
Thưa khách, vì lý do an toàn yêu cầu khách tắt điện thoại di động, các loại máy thu phát sóng.
Daddy, you choose for me one shampoo style. Then you drink it.
Hoặc chuyển sang chế độ sử dụng trên máy bay cho đến khi khách đặt view and direct lockers and baggage minus 40 hours or emergency classes. Most of all,
and breathe normally while securing the elastic band around your head. Only when your mask is secure should you assist children or fellow passengers.
Trong khoang khách có 8 cửa thoát hiểm, 2 cửa phía trước, 4 cửa ở giữa và 2 cửa phía sau. Trên trần, tại mỗi khu vực có cửa thoát hiểm và tại mỗi cửa thoát hiểm đều có các đèn bảng hiệu lối thoát hiểm.
khách ở khu vực trường của sân bay. Với thay mặt cho hãng không quốc gia Việt Nam, thành phố Liên minh hàng không SkyTeam. This is Captain speaking for FedEx. Once again, on behalf of Airlines, member SkyTeam Alliance, Captain Paul Park, first officer Chan Angui, and crew members, welcome you aboard TN654 from Singapore to Zurich City. Now I give you some information about our flight. Aircraft now is cruising at 27,000 feet above the mean sea level, with average speed around 480 nautical miles per hour. The weather route from now on is during descent expect route. Sometimes we just get light runs. We will start descent after 20 minutes, flying time from now on to land at the International Airport. Expect landing time 40 past 7 p.m. local time. The weather destination at the time of arrival, we have cloudy, light wind and temperature around 25 degrees Celsius. Once again, thank you, just with your Airlines, and have a nice evening in Ho Chi Minh City. Thank you, and see you again.
International Airport, Ho Chi Minh City. It is now 7:45 p.m. local time. The outside temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the passes outside has been turned off. When opening the overhead luggage, please catch ensure contents do not fall out. We hope that you enjoy your flight with us. Of half Vietnamese members, customers, Captain Pahoba, and all crew members, pleasure to say goodbye to you. We look forward to meeting you again soon. Thank you.
Wow, look at our special booth. Yay!